go, baby. Okay, so it is 96 degrees out. Okay, so it's currently 94 degrees out. And here I am wearing a sweatshirt. Like, why? Here, give me a second here. Look at that. Not okay, so maybe it was just hot in the sun or something, but it's still fucking hot out. But, dude, it's been a while since the 207 fishing gang has been, you know, out of commission, and yet we're bringing it back. You know, the 1v1 challenges, everything. You know, hopefully a little bit better filming. You know, we'll see. But hopefully better spots. Just not that one all the time, but we'll see. We'll see you guys in the spot, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we are on our fishing trip, spot 2. If you've seen the other clips, we didn't catch anything over there. This is a different day, by the way. But we're gonna try this spot. It looks a little overgrown, pretty bad. But we're gonna go down here anyways. Holy crap! Pretty bad right here. Put a weed barker through here. Pretty low. Nice. Hopefully catch a striped bass today. Today we're gonna try using a Senko. As you can see right there. The hook's a little rusty, but fish don't mind, right? Okay. Let's have a first cast. Okay, usually the crawfish works here pretty well, but we'll see. If this doesn't work, we'll use a crawfish. I don't know if that was a bite or not. It's kind of weird. It's like weeds. Yeah, it was. So fuck you. Alright, 5 more casts and we're out of here. Calling it a day. Calling it an episode. Calling it a video or whatever. Two separate days. It'd be nice if I had a boat, you know? That's a big fucker. I had a bite there. I wasn't paying attention. That's what we've been waiting for. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! About fucking time. Been waiting forever for this fucker. Stop flapping, you fucking whore. There we go, baby. A little dirty, my bad. But look at that fucking thing. We finally got one after forever. Let's go. Release on this baby. That's awesome. Alright. Finally came for what we got. No! Okay. Don't leave me. I'll just pop you in there. Okay? You're fine. There he goes. He's all dirty, my bad, but bad fish handling there. It's been a while since I caught a good fish like that. Let's go. Finally got a fish after that long. Glad we stayed. Big fish, but we will try to catch another one since we did that. Hopefully I don't fucking mess. Whoa. Sorry for the swears, man, but hopefully we don't mess around with it too much. Because it was flopping everywhere. We got a fish, let's go. See you in the next fish. Crawfish is the way to go. That's usually that's my secret weapon. If you guys want to buy some, they're at Dick's, Walmart. I love these things. So you gotta hook them to the top and then go down in the middle. It's pretty, I love those things. You know, they never fail, seems like. Took me a while, but they don't fail me. After a while. Sucks I only brought one. My other reel it's kind of broken right now. But you know, take what you can get. Gas can go very far. I need to learn how to reel with the left hand because I cast my right. You know. So my friend Shane gives me a bunch of shit for it. He's like, dude, you're doing it wrong. But, you know, I catch way more fish than him anyways. But if I'm doing it wrong, you know what I mean? Shane's just not the best at fishing compared to me. Because every time he goes with me, he doesn't catch anything. It's weird. Why he's this bad. Sorry, Shane. I know it's our channel together, but I'm just talking facts. You haven't beat me this Sunday yet, so cheer him on. And he hasn't beat me. He usually catches no fish or he'll catch one. Like the other day we came here and he caught nothing and I caught like 3. So yeah, anyways, hopefully you guys are enjoying my video so far. If you are, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, because you know I love recording after that fucking fish. I swear a lot on this channel, so I'm sorry if you guys get offended by it, but that's just what I do. I swear a lot. It's a habit. Bro, don't be playing with me now. I think I had another bite there. Oh, we are popping off. I don't want to catch us. Oh, okay. I don't want to catch a sunfish, to be honest with you. I hate those fucking things. Yep, there we go. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Number 2 of the day. Let's go, baby. I told you there's some fish here. The small one. Ah. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Nope. Nope. There it is. Fuck you. Oh, he's gone. Number 2. Oh, that's awesome. It's 2 fish. The other one was way bigger. The crawfish is looking beat up. Cut this part out because I want to do a face thing. Cut it out, cool. Anyways, today was a good day of fishing. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It was pretty fun, you know. Caught 2 fish. I didn't think I was gonna catch any because we were there for a good hour and a half. The second place, anyways. And yeah, finally caught something. Oh, look at this thing. What is that? Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. I know it was wasn't too long, but hopefully we get some challenges with my buddy Shane next week or something, couple days down the road. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys. Peace.